Yo, you know, so she escaped since evening.
I never know that.
Yo, the door is like something wrong with the lock and we forgot to fix it.
The lock. Mess up on the door.
Somebody is supposed to there watch her and end up that no, we never there. But we catch her back, so we even have Menza. We're good, we catch her back, she upstairs. You know what I mean? So, but the thing is, what we want you for do now is just beat her up, clean her up, make sure that she clean up. That's it. That's your job for right now.
We can do that.
You know what I mean? Just make she clean up.
Alright, we can do that.
She upstairs, you know, so that's all I really want you to do for me for right now.
Yeah, we can do that. Well, I want to ask you a question too as well. Like, I know not do this thing full time now. So I want to know if we could have depend on the team with her.
I mean, you know, so we're done up here already for tonight, right?
Nobody, you never tell me that.
No, man, we definitely not gonna pay you for tonight, man.
You have to tell me twice. Okay.
So yes, you want forward and full time?
Full time. Ready.
Alright, me have to link with Sharpman and make you know.
You have to?
I mean, yeah, to finalize everything might as well and then just link you back and make you know what I'm going.
So when you talk to him, is that next double pan?
Yeah, go get pay again. So she upstairs, so just deal with that and then me make you know what go on after that.
Alright.
Alright.
Are you okay? It's okay. Just listen, I just want to say something. Everything's gonna be okay. You just, you know. I mean, if you want to live, just listen to everything that they have to say. Don't try to like run away. Just listen to me, okay? And I don't know if you want to hear what I have to say, but this is just for you. If you want to make sure that you're alive and you get out safely, just listen to everything that I have to say and just try. Everything is gonna be okay. I mean, it's okay. Just as I said, just listen to what I have to say. You know, just to make it out alive. That's all. Come, I'm gonna let you get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna make you put on this shirt. Let me go get the key. Okay?
Hello?
Detective, hi, how are you? I was calling because I got a little worried because I haven't really heard anything. So I called 911.
Really?
They said that no missing person report was filed.
I have no idea. That's so strange. I went there myself and turned it straight into the department.
I spoke to 2 other detectives and I'm supposed to be meeting with them tonight. Thank you so far for your help. But I think I'm gonna go with them too, okay?
So sorry there wasn't more I could do for you. It was a pleasure working with you. I really hope you get everything situated.
Okay. Thank you anyway.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Bye-bye. Son of a fucking bitch. Oh my god. This can't be happening. I'm gonna fucking kill him. I'm gonna kill him.
So she took it upon herself to go ahead and reach out to the department. And she's working with 2 other detectives.
Hold on, so how you managed to make this happen?
Me? What do you mean me?
Yo, what we are paying you for?
No. First of all, what you're gonna do is calm down. Second of all, I did everything I was supposed to do. Maybe if you guys did what the fuck you had to do, my job wouldn't be complicated and this wouldn't be happening right now.
Yo, here we are say. All you have to do, I just stay up on the inside and steer her wrong. That's all you have to do.
And what do you think I've been doing? While you two, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, have been running around like your chickens with head cut off.
So we not pay you for do something?
Bro.
No pay, we are pay you for do this.
First of all, that's not even the whole amount I asked for. Second of all, I did my job.
Yo, hear me I say. Right now, we screw now, you know.
Who you telling?
That are the only... What we are going to do now? All we know where she are go with no detective and all them something. All we know what she are do right now.
The only thing that's in our benefit is I'm really close with one of the detectives she decided to work with.
But you're not sure, that's still not guaranteed nothing.
Bro, can you just shush? You're so negative. Stop being so negative.
Yo, you're worried about the wrong thing. You're worried about the wrong thing.
Oh,
that's why you would have
you're
one
so
saying.
negative.
You're worried about the wrong thing.
Do you have a solution? Because I think I have a possible, it looks like a light in a tunnel, and you're being negative and you have no solution.
Right now, I don't even want you to worry about nothing. Me feel like me fi just figure it out myself. Me figure it out. Just leave it as that. Me figure it out.
Good luck.
Me definitely figure it out.
Good.
And you're lucky so we even pay you too.
You're lucky you paid me.
Yo, remember
No. I don't know who you're used to working with, but what you're not gonna do is think you can talk out the side of your neck to me.
I true you know the boss, you know.
Good night.
True you and the boss close you go on so.
Good.
Yo, remember, so you can't even tell him nothing what go on, you know, because this is for the books, you know.
Do you think I'm afraid of him?
Yo, leave me alone, you one.
Stupid.
Well, going, you good? Clean up nice. So why you not talking to me now? Remember me I look out for you, you know. Kinda look cute still. Let me get that kiss. Can I get a kiss? Alright. Since you're built like that, we'll make your work tonight.
Wait, what?
You're gonna need them here.
Please, no. Please, I'll do anything you want me to do. Please, no. Please. Please.
Yo, what's going down?
But damn, man.
Yo, my little thing in there ready down.
Yeah, man, she there already, man. Yo, well, I'm not. Him tell you about how much money we that charge, huh?
Not do that, brother. I mean, the man must. I'm telling my youth.
So do some.
She a virgin. For sure, brother.
Yeah, man.
Ooh. Catch you see that? Brother, you charge one heap of money for them girls to them and you man go stop some of them places, brother. That may I tell you in the youth.
You're on the condom in there, so use the condom too.
You don't use condom, brother. I'm telling you about condom, brother.
Sir, may you please help me? Can I use your phone to call my mom, please? My name is Shanice, and sir, they kidnapped me and I just want to go home. Yes. Sir, please. May I please use your phone so I can call my mom? I just want to go home. Please. Sir, please just help me. I just want your help.
Alright.
Please. My name is Shanice.
Come here. What them do to you? Jesus, please. Say no, me do to you now. Me pay my money and that me I tell me I want to get a ball in, you know.
Please, no.
My youth, as me I tell you, I just talked to a detective girl, Browning.
What's your
Brother, you want to know, say she make me know, say she get kicked off for the case.
Bumbleclad.
Then that me I tell my youth, remember she are the only somebody we have on the inside, you know.
So what we are going to do now, dog? Fuck, yo.
My youth, me don't even want to try treat her no way, because you don't know, say, yo, she and the boss are family. Remember, she and the boss are family, you know. We are use her off the books, you know. So me don't even want to operate certain way with her, but she get kicked off for the case. So now, me don't know what go on inside, you know. Because that's one of the main reasons why we are here, you know. I have to put her up on the inside. She go in as a fake detective. We don't even know if I find out the lady find out that she fake.
Dog, we have to go do something in my youth.
My friend Evelyn, me I try to figure out something. But me definitely I go try to figure out something. Something need to be done. Because we can't know. She said the lady I meet with no detective all him something. We can't manage that.
Yo, me I go link her, you know. I give her a page.
Yo, as me say, we can't rush nothing. We just figure it out and then we go from there. So that's all I can say for right now. We just have to figure out that.
Alright, cool.
So with the girl now, what you say, we good for that?
Yeah man, me line up 2 of them now. So easy grab and go.
And everything in order. Location and time.
Ready. Me have to go get a plate though for the van. So just that all work. We need a plate to go up on the van.
That's all and we're good.
Yeah man.
Because that me I think about it now. We need to definitely make this happen, you know, that. 100% I'm going to make this happen, you know.
You ready when you're ready?
Alright, now say alright.
Alright.
From a plate we need, we are get a plate. Now say alright. We just, yo, forward there, man.
Yes, this is Bev. I was calling to make sure everything was still set for tonight, the meeting tonight. A picture? Yes. I have a picture of her. Hold on. Wait. I know. Remember Bible study tonight, remember? Come on, you promised me. You promised Shanice.
I'll let you know about that.
Alright, and I need something from the store.
Mom, what you need from the store? I'm running late. You could just text me.
Okay, alright, let me text you. Drive safe, please.
Alright. Bye, Mom.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
Yes. I'm still here. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'll see you tonight. Okay. Bye. Shanice. My little girl pick me. Oh my God. Shanice, where you there, man? Where are you? Come home to your mommy, no, man. Come on, Shanice. Come on. Come home, please.
You see this? Earn this today. And I find that. I tell you, say all you have to do, I just listen and be good. You do that today, you see you sleep better. That's all I tell you to do, you know. I never give you a whole heap of things to do, you know. You sleep comfortable tonight. And if you're hungry, I'll bring you some food.
Oh, see me here.
Yeah, deal with dog.
My grandma did. How much bed you sleep on last night? What side I bed?
What do you mean? What you talking about?
What side I bed you sleep on?
My youth, I really that you call me if you ask me, brother.
The boss, me talk to the boss, see? The man say, in there on vacation right now, so I don't know when he forward back, sometime next week.
So hold on, everything where we tell him it's a go?
Yeah, it's a go. But here I go now, here the catchy part. The man say you have to bring 3 girls.
No man, we definitely can deal with that, man.
You can't manage that?
Yo, 3 girl are simple something that, man. Simple something that for 3 girl, dog. My youth, and you see, me tell you, and we there so worry. What we are worry for, see him there on vacation and enjoy himself. Yeah. And we there stress out ourselves. You worry too much.
Yo, I don't know that. I just want everything to go good.
Yo, remember say Shark man done plan out everything.
Alright, so we have 1, we just have to get 2 more.
Yeah man, 1 definitely guarantee. We definitely know say your 1 did it. So just 2 we have to look, and trust me, that easy. A simple works that.
Mad.
Simple works. We just have stress out ourselves for no reason, dog.
It's a benefit all the way, so don't worry yourself.
A whole heap of money we are making now. We'll link up.
Alright, mother.
Yeah man.
Oh, the detective.
Okay.